You know how when you're in the Facebook app and you have newly installed it or you're on the default settings, you go scroll through your news feed and all the videos have sound, commercials, videos, I mean, you name it. And, it's kind of distracting and sometimes embarrassing when, you're sitting in, somewhere and you just blast a video because you don't realize your volume's on, max. Anyway, the setting to turn that off to where videos don't autoplay with sound is kind of buried in the settings. So I'm going to show you real quick where that is. You go into settings, go down, settings, go all the way down to the bottom, media and contacts, all the way at the bottom. See this thing? Videos in newsfeed start with sound. The default setting is on. You want to turn that off, and then you're good to go. Just back out of that, and you will never have sound again unless you actually click on the video and turn the sound on. So anyway, it took me forever to find that because it's buried. I figured I would just show you, so I would show you really quick again. Settings. Oops. Go down to settings. Go down to media and contacts. And there it is right there. Videos and newsfeed start with sound. Check it off and you're good to go. Appreciate it.